Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In this tutorial video, we're gonna look at how you can change the profile picture of your Spotify account. This is a short and easy tutorial, so follow the steps that I'm gonna show you to easily change the profile picture. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up the website of Spotify and then log into your account. From here, you will need to click on your profile, then go to profile. From here, you can see your name of your profile. Now to change the picture of your profile, simply hover over the picture section and then click on it. Now you can choose a picture from your device. Let's say I want to choose this picture. After you choose the picture, you can simply click on save. So I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss similar videos that we post every day. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.